Alright, after I came back from the deployment, I had rot knock. So as you can see, I've taken the oil pan off, which is sitting here, and I haven't finished taking all the rod caps off yet. So which one of you guys think was the suspect? It wasn't number 2. Number 2 wasn't knocking at my door. So, which one do you think was the knocker? Just for the record, my car is back going again. My handy dandy fan. Just put tires on it. I went with the ATR Sport 2s. I did have the name King, and there's 2 R's on it. So I'm going to give the ATR Sport 2s a try and see how they are. But this is just a small video trying to see which bearing you think went bad in my RB26 from this Nissan ECN R33 TR. I will do a small video showing a little bit of the breakdown, and I'll do a final video of which one it was. Stay tuned.